Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another video. Those who are planning to buy a Bluetooth speaker and the budget is around 2000 rupees, please watch the video till the end because this video will surely help you. Today I have PORTRONICS here and this is PORTRONICS BREEZE, also known as POR795. Those who are planning to buy this speaker, thumbs up for that. In this video we will do an unboxing and then followed by a sound demonstration and my feedback why I really like this speaker and why have I decided to make an unboxing video for this. So let's just go ahead and start the unboxing first for this beautiful speaker. So we have the box here and let me give you an overview for this box. So it says it has an FM radio, water resistant, so you really don't have to worry about the water, and also you can connect two Breeze at the same time with one phone because it has that dual pair option, and yeah, USB play. On the other side there are some specifications which I really liked at a price of 2000. Let me show you that. The Bluetooth version is 4.1 which is really good. Dual Bluetooth streaming, which I have already talked about, and it is 8 watts, so 4 watt into 2 drivers, 4 watt each. It does allow aux input which is 3.5 mm, that's a great thing. And FM, of course, yes, if in case the FM frequency is good at your area, go ahead and switch to FM mode. And it's 420 gram. The MRP is 2999, which is around 3000 rupees. And on the other hand, the same information is there. 2200 milliampere battery. Let's just go ahead and open the box. Alright, so here we have the speaker and very nicely packed. The box itself looks very premium. The first impression will definitely make you feel that you are holding JBL Flip 3 or Flip 4. Let me take you through the buttons here. This is the pairing mode, so you can also connect to this kind of speaker with each other, the way JBL pair works. And volume up, volume down, play, pause. You can also pick calls using this. So it has an internal mic. This is power on button, and here are the other stuff which is very important. This is the charging port, this is the aux port, and it does allow a memory card. So this is how the speaker looks, and trust me, it's very premium. You will never feel that you are holding a 2000 rupees Bluetooth speaker. To make a bass effect, this is flexible. Let's just go ahead and switch on and see the sound demonstration. So let me switch that on here. So it's on
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it does tell you it's on Bluetooth mode, and here is the battery indicator. So let me just go ahead and so the Bluetooth is paired, as you can see here. So it is also showing how much battery is left here. So little B over here. Yeah, do you see that? So it does indicate how much battery is left.
Device paired.
So what else we get inside the box? Let me just go ahead and show you. Inside the box you get some cables. So it's a manual for this Breeze, how to pair and other stuff, so which I'm not gonna really read. So you get a cable which is OTG cable, so you can definitely play music via pen drive, and an aux cable and a charging cable. So there is an option to use a pen drive to play this speaker. Let me just go ahead and try. So I've got the pen drive here and I've connected it via OTG cable, and the OTG cable comes with the box itself. To switch the source you have to click this button.
Bluetooth mode.
And again
USB mode.
Okay, let's see. If you
FM mode.
तरीके से ना इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो जी, और जब वो इंसान बहुत बार इम्प्रेस हो जाता है, जब लगता है कि
OX in mode. Bluetooth mode.
Alright, that was a quick sound demonstration and this is really good. Now how good is that speaker? Let me give you a small example. These are JBL Flip 3 and fabulous Bluetooth speaker, but the price is 6,500. Now this is, the clarity and bass is almost similar to JBL Flip 3, so it is just like you are playing JBL Flip 3 at 60% of its volume. And definitely PORTRONICS does offer you 1 year warranty, which you have to carry that at the nearest service center. Sadly, the battery is only 2200 milliampere, which is at a price of 2200. It's great, but again it will hardly last for 3 to 3.5 hours during continuous playback, and if in case you watch movies it will go up to 5 hours. So not only you can play music via aux, Bluetooth and SD card, you can also use this OTG cable to connect your pen drive and you can play music via pen drive. Also supports FM. The Bluetooth version is 4.1, which is great, and also the range is quite impressive. So if in case you keep this Bluetooth speaker to one corner of your house, and if there is no wall in between and you go to the next corner, maybe like up to 12 feet, it easily works perfectly fine. And the build quality is again premium, as I said, very close to JBL Flip 3 or Flip 4 in terms of build quality. You do get 1 year warranty. You have to carry this speaker to your nearest service center to claim that warranty. And now, will I recommend this speaker or not? Yes, of course I will recommend, if in case your budget is 2000 and if you are looking for something very clear and a bit of little beautiful bass on a Bluetooth speaker, so this will be the one I will recommend. If you want to purchase via Amazon, the link would be in the description below. You can click the link and purchase that speaker. That's about the review for this beautiful speaker. If you have any questions related to this Bluetooth speaker or any other Bluetooth speaker, do let me know in the comments and I would love to answer them. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.